Howdy, y'all. Welcome to another episode of the Mayhem's Fab Lab. Today, we're switching the gears just a skosh, just a teensy bit. We're still working with an off-road machine. Just all the horsepowers and big tires. I mean, it's even got a quick disconnect steering wheel. Doesn't work, but it's got a quick disconnect steering wheel. April 2nd, I got this darn tootin' thing called Kingofthetrimmers. It's somewhere in the boondoggles of New Hampshire. And I gotta get my trimmer ready. So, let me get y'all some beauty shots. Howdy, y'all. Welcome to the Mayhem's Fab Lab channel. Well, now that you've seen the old girl, what do you think? She's a beaut, isn't she? That's darn right, Clark. She's a beaut. This is the my Kingofthetrimmers trimmer. Last year was the first big deal Kingofthetrimmers. I was part of the OG Kingofthetrimmers back in the day, and that was a blast. That was good to be a part of that one. Last year, I took the silver in the race up there in New Hampshire, and I can't wait to go back. It's going to be just a stinking blast. But I got to do some race prep, okay? So that's what I'm going to show y'all this week. It's getting this darn tootin' thing ripping. So flip y'all around here, get to work. Alright, so I got the cover off. I forgot to mention to y'all why I'm taking the cover off. She ain't got no fuel. She ain't got no juice. So, I think I'm going to have to take out the carburetor and clean it. Because I know it's got spark. It'll run off of starting fluid. So, we know it's not getting fuel. And as you see, there's fuel coming out of the fuel tank. It's going through the fuel filter. So, I think the only thing we got going on is that stinking carburetor. We'll have to, I'm going to take it off, see if there's any junk or gunk or skunk or whatever in there. But I got to go get the right tool, and then I'll take the intake off and then the carburetor off. Catch y'all soon. Now it's got fuel coming out of it. we're going to bring this up on the old workbench and take it apart a little bit more. But first, I want to put some of these screws back so I don't lose them all. And in a strange turn of events, you see I'm out here in a, well, long sleeve shirt, but a strange turn of events, we're supposed to get snow tonight. So I'm going to have to clean this up a little bit and cover it up so we don't get junk in it. Alright, I think I got all of the screws back in there. Alright. See you in the garage. It has fuel. I don't get it. You should do this before your hands get this dirty, but you know. Alright, hopefully this is a pro tip that actually works for me, but if you notice, I can't get these undone. So, put a little bit of twist and pressure on it. This baby's on there. Let's try this one. Need the right tool for the job, which would be a PH2 or Phillips head 2. That. There's that one. This one might be a little devil. I don't know. Let's see. Yep. She's gonna be a little devil. So I'll have to get, I'm probably gonna get like hex screws for that, because that's a pain in the butt. Let's get out the old trusty vice grippers. Darn. Huh. Let me get a better screwdriver. Actually, let's see here. No. That might be the ticket right there. Let's see. Let's take a look-see. Oh, look at it. Wow. Woo. She's not varnished up. Looks halfway decent. Let me try to take this off without ripping it. Maybe not. Okay. Well, why in tarnation isn't this thing getting fuel? Help me understand. Let's see about right here. Let's see if it's junk up in here. Yeah. All right, well, I didn't get down to the bottom of why I'm not getting fuel. So that might have to wait till tomorrow, because I'm playing in the local musical, playing first trumpet. Woohoo! It's actually really fun, like super fun. But I got rehearsal tonight, and tomorrow night, and the next night. I think I have it on Thursday. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyways, but we have rehearsal Friday, show on Friday, rehearsal Saturday, and show on Saturday. So I'll be a little busy beaver this week, but I'm still trying to get y'all content that's worthwhile, and hopefully you like the you'll like the little segue here into King of the Trimmers. I'll get back to it tomorrow, so see y'all tamale. What's happening? Welcome back. It's another fine day here in the Fab Lab. Just got off work a Scotia bibble ago. And yeah, so it's my Friday. I work 4 10s. Well, I work 4 9s and a 4, but whatever. That Friday doesn't count. So it's Thursday. It's my Friday. I don't have to go to work tomorrow. So guess what? It's bourbon time. Let's turn y'all around here. See what we're drinking tonight. Ah, look at this. This is a jewel, isn't it? These are hard to come by nowadays. I don't know if you follow bourbon, they're hard to come by. But I got this particular one down there at the Buffalo Trace Distillery. Check out this whole little thing here. Ooh. Hold on here. There it is. So, cool thing. See this here? That's an N. Hold on, let me see if y'all can see that. See, that's an N. If you collect, they have these things have Blantons. If you collect all of the BLANTONS, you're part of some club or something like that. But pretty neat bottle. I really like the decanter. I'll probably use this as like a decanter later on because it's just super cool, you know. But let's crack this baby open. I think, yeah, we should be able to give her a little pop. Maybe. Oh man, I'm showing my bourbon inexperience right now. Oh, hey, look, there's little tabs here. Pull, set, look right there. Focus, focus. Pull. Oh. Look at that. Man, come on, boys. There we go. All right. I don't want that to touch my deal here, but let me get a slow-mo in on this here. All right, ready? All right. Well, that is what I'm drinking tonight. Let's get back to work on this here King of the Trimmers Ultimate Beatdown Race Car. Alright, so last we left off, we were trying to take this apart, kind of seeing what was up with it. Honestly, the old float bowl doesn't look too bad there. There's some gunk in there. Take a look-see there. You can see in the bottom there's some gunk. So I'm going to get some carb cleaner, clean that stuff out. And then we're going to... This was one thing I didn't know. This is the fuel pump majigger on this thing. I want to say fuel pump. It's like vacuum actuated. But it's got like some oil junk on it. See, it's I don't know. So I'm gonna clean this up too. Put it all back together. I don't think that this is my issue. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna put y'all on pause real quick. Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. Got my Cleater hat on here. Shout out to Cletus. Love the hat. Anyways, I am waiting on some packages, and I just can't keep working on any of my projects until I get some of them better packages in. I got basically a carb kit for the old lawnmower or trimmer, whatever you want to call it, and then I got to wait on some things for the transmission, like I need the mount and stuff like that is on the other transmission. So I didn't get a chance to mock that out before I sent it off to the transmission shop. Kind of a Dumbo move on my part, but these things happen. You'll have that with these big jobs. Beyond that, I'm just kind of twiddling my thumbs right now. So, just to close off this video, I wanted to... I was tasked with some stuff in the old house today. We wanted a new shower head. And we got these nice bronze fixtures and stuff like that. And I don't want to scratch them thingies up, but I can't take them off with my hands. So I thought of a cool little thing that I wanted to share with y'all. Let me grab it here. See? I have to, grab the shower head and then twist it off. But you see them little black thingy-majiggies on there? Like little, channel lock condoms? Yeah, pretty cool. Those, I cut off of, you know how you lose the other glove? And you only have the one glove hanging out? Well, I'm putting it to good use. So, just... what I do here, I'll put y'all on the stand here, and got something in my eye. Woo-wee. Okay, anyways, put y'all on the stand here and show y'all the process that I use to I already got this one what we're doing here. I'll show you basically my theory on this one. You go back as far as you can here, and you just kind of mark it, crudely mark it, and that's where it goes. So we'll do it. We'll use the old pinky on this one. So mark, it's going to go back to about here. So here, we'll try it on. Yeah. Just beyond the cloth there. So just take your common household scissors or hobby scissors in my case. Uh-oh. Pinky might be a little bit too small. Yep, pinky's a little bit small. Well, I guess we'll just use the thumb then. Oh. Look at that. A nice little, and it grips and it doesn't dig into your fixtures, and so there's your tech tip for the day. So that's all I have for y'all this week. Sorry I didn't get more done, man. I don't know. I just couldn't make it happen this week. Hopefully next week we get some hardcore done stuff, you know what I'm saying? But don't forget to punch that like, subscribe, throw a comment on this video. I'd appreciate it. And I'll get back to you, because there hasn't been a lot of comments, and that's okay. But I want to make sure that y'all know that I'm listening. So, comment, and I'll comment back. Catch y'all later on the next episode of Mayhem's Fab Lab. Bye-bye.